Are lash extensions going out of style? A question that's been making rounds in the beauty community lately. Lash extensions, once the darling of the beauty world, offered an effortless way to add drama and glamour to any look. They've been a beauty staple for years, adorning the eyes of celebrities and beauty enthusiasts alike. However, recently, there's been a noticeable shift in the beauty scene. Some are questioning the relevance of these fluttery additions. Why, you ask? Well, there are a couple of reasons. One of them is maintenance. Lash extensions require regular upkeep, which can be time-consuming. Their cost is another factor. High-quality lash extensions don't come cheap, and their upkeep can add up. But it's not just about the cost and maintenance. The beauty world is ever-evolving, and new trends are constantly emerging. So, are lash extensions becoming a thing of the past? But before we jump to conclusions, let's consider other trending beauty practices. Beauty trends shift like the sands of a desert, and what's hot today might be forgotten tomorrow. Such is the ever-evolving world of beauty, where new practices and techniques are constantly emerging, giving us a plethora of options to enhance our features. Let's consider some of these trending beauty practices and see how they stack up against lash extensions. First up, microblading. This semi-permanent tattooing technique has taken the beauty world by storm, allowing individuals to achieve fuller, more defined eyebrows. The initial cost of microblading can be steep, but the results can last for up to 3 years with minimal maintenance, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Next, we have magnetic lashes. These are false lashes that attach to your natural lashes using magnetic eyeliner. They offer a dramatic look without the commitment or upkeep of lash extensions. While they're less expensive up front, they do require a steady hand and a bit of practice to apply correctly. Then there's the lash lift, a process that curls and sets your natural lashes, giving them a longer, fuller appearance. Lash lifts are less damaging than lash extensions and last around 6 to 8 weeks. However, they lack the volume and length that lash extensions can provide. So, how do these practices compare to lash extensions? Well, lash extensions offer an unparalleled level of drama and fullness, but they come with a higher price tag and require regular maintenance. They also carry a risk of damaging your natural lashes if not applied correctly. Each of these practices has its own set of advantages and drawbacks. Microblading provides long-lasting results with minimal upkeep. Magnetic lashes allow for flexibility and customization, and lash lifts offer a natural, low-maintenance alternative to extensions. However, it's important to remember that beauty is deeply personal, and what works for one person may not work for another. It all comes down to individual preference, lifestyle, and budget. So, are these practices overshadowing lash extensions? Let's delve deeper. Given the pros and cons of lash extensions and other beauty trends, where does that leave us? Let's take a moment to weigh the scales. On one side, we have the undeniable allure of lash extensions. They offer a dramatic, ready-to-go look that can make anyone feel like a star. They can be a real time saver in the morning, eliminating the need for mascara or eyelash curlers. Plus, they're customizable. You can go for a natural look or opt for something more dramatic, depending on your mood or the occasion. However, there are some considerations to bear in mind. Lash extensions require regular upkeep, which can be quite time-consuming and costly. For some, the maintenance simply isn't worth it. There's also the fact that they can damage your natural lashes over time, leading to a cycle of dependency on the extensions. On the other side of the scale, we have an array of other beauty practices vying for our attention. From magnetic lashes to lash serums, there are more ways than ever to enhance your lashes without resorting to extensions. These alternatives can be just as effective, if not more so, and often come with fewer risks. What it all boils down to is this: individual preference, lifestyle, and budget play a large role in determining whether lash extensions are the right choice. If you love the look and don't mind the upkeep, then they could be a fantastic option for you. But if you're looking for something less demanding or more budget-friendly, then other beauty practices might be more up your alley. Remember, trends come and go, but what matters most is what makes you feel beautiful and confident. So are lash extensions really going out of style? That's a question only you can answer.